these materials. And now, let's watch the video of the series circuit. Series circuit. All components are connected end-to-end to form only one path for the current to flow through the circuit. And for the next video, let's watch the parallel circuit. Parallel circuits. All components are connected between the same two sets of electrically common points, creating multiple paths for the current to flow from one end of the battery to the other. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.